Health is not only about hospitals and doctors, it is about prevention, awareness, and collective responsibility. Hi, welcome back to MHA Insights. In this video, we will understand what public health is, its scope, importance, functions, challenges, and the role of healthcare administrators in strengthening public health systems. What is public health? Public health is science and art of preventing diseases, prolonging life, and promoting health through organized community efforts. क्लिनिकल मेडिसिन जहां एक इंडिविजुअल पेशेंट के ट्रीटमेंट पर फोकस करती है, वहीं पब्लिक हेल्थ पूरी पॉपुलेशन की प्रोटेक्शन और इम्प्रूवमेंट पर फोकस करती है. Examples being vaccination programs, sanitation and clean drinking water, health awareness campaigns, disease surveillance, and nutrition programs. Scope of public health. Public health has a very wide scope. It includes disease prevention, health promotion, environmental health, maternal and child health, nutrition, epidemiology, mental health, occupational health, disaster management, community participation, and health policy planning. This shows that public health is not limited to vaccination alone. It is a complete system aimed at maintaining overall population well-being. Core functions of public health. There are 3 core functions of public health. First one is assessment, जिसमें health data collect और analyze किया जाता है through disease surveillance, health surveys और outbreak monitoring. Second one is policy development, जिसमें health programs, immunization policies और nutrition schemes डिज़ाइन की जाती हैं. तीसरा है assurance, जिसमें इंश्योर किया जाता है कि हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज और ट्रेंड वर्कफोर्स एक्चुअली लोगों तक पहुंच रही है. Together these functions help in effective implementation of health services. Importance of public health. Public health plays a vital role in national development. It increases life expectancy, improves quality of life, reduces disease burden, supports economic growth, ensures health equity, and strengthens healthcare systems. अगर पब्लिक हेल्थ स्ट्रॉन्ग ना हो तो हॉस्पिटल्स ओवरलोड हो सकते हैं और हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम पर हैवी प्रेशर आ सकता है. एप्लीकेशंस ऑफ पब्लिक हेल्थ. पब्लिक हेल्थ रियल लाइफ में बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करती है. पेंडेमिक्स जैसे कोविड-19 को कंट्रोल करना, मैटरनल और इन्फेंट मोर्टेलिटी को रिड्यूस करना, न्यूट्रिशन स्टेटस इंप्रूव करना, ट्यूबरकुलोसिस और मलेरिया जैसे कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस को कंट्रोल करना, हेल्थ प्रमोशन कैंपेन्स चलाना, एनवायरमेंटल सेफ्टी इंश्योर करना, स्कूल हेल्थ प्रोग्राम्स इंप्लीमेंट करना और ऑक्यूपेशनल हेल्थ को प्रमोट करना. By preventing these diseases, public health also helps in reducing healthcare costs. Role of MHA professionals in public health. MHA professionals are responsible for planning and management of healthcare services. They ensure proper implementation of hospital policies, efficient use of resources like staff, equipment, and finances, and maintenance of service quality. They also handle health data management, community health programs, and disaster preparedness. Overall, their role is to improve healthcare efficiency and ensure safe, timely, and patient-centered service delivery. Public health system in India. India follows a 3-tier public health system, which means healthcare services are provided at different levels, starting from the village level and moving towards advanced care at higher centers. The first level is sub-centers, which act as the first point of contact for the community. यहाँ पर mainly preventive and promotive services दी जाती हैं, जैसे vaccination, antenatal care, basic health education, and minor health support. The second level is primary health centers or PHCs. These centers provide basic medical treatment, diagnosis of common illness, maternal and child health services, and preventive health care. If the patient requires specialized treatment, he or she is referred to the third level, which is the community health center or CSCs. They function as referral centers and provide services from specialist doctors along with better medical facilities. Above this, we have district hospitals and medical colleges, which provide secondary and tertiary level care, including advanced investigations, surgeries, and emergency management. So overall, this structure referral system ensures that patients receive appropriate care at the appropriate level, and it also helps in efficient utilization of healthcare resources and reducing overcrowding at the higher hospitals. ये बहुत important topic है, usually long answers में पूछा जाता है. National Public Health Programs in India. इंडिया जैसे बड़े देश में सभी लोगों को हेल्थ केयर सर्विसेज पहुंचाना एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है. इसलिए गवर्नमेंट ने नेशनल पब्लिक हेल्थ प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट किए हैं, जिनका मेन एम है डिजीजेस को प्रिवेंट करना, ट्रीटमेंट को असेसिबल बनाना और लोगों की ओवरऑल हेल्थ इंप्रूव करना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल नेशनल हेल्थ मिशन जो स्पेशली रूरल और बैकवर्ड एरियाज में हेल्थ केयर फैसिलिटीज को स्ट्रेंथन करने पर फोकस करता है। आयुष्मान भारत स्कीम का पर्पस है गरीब और नीडी लोगों को हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन का खर्चा ना उठाना पड़े, इसीलिए उन्हें हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस कवरेज दिया जाता है। यूनिवर्सल इम्यूनाइजेशन प्रोग्राम बच्चों और प्रेग्नेंट वुमेन को डेंजरस डिजीजेस से बचाने के लिए वैक्सीन प्रोवाइड करता है। इसी तरह नेशनल ट्यूबरकुलोसिस एलिमिनेशन प्रोग्राम और नेशनल एड्स कंट्रोल प्रोग्राम कम्युनिकेबल डिजीजेस को कंट्रोल और एलिमिनेट करने के लिए चलाए जा रहे हैं। साथ ही स्वच्छ भारत मिशन सैनिटेशन और हाइजीन इंप्रूव करने पर फोकस करता है और नेशनल वेक्टर बोर्न डिजीज कंट्रोल प्रोग्राम मलेरिया, डेंगू जैसे डिजीजेस को प्रिवेंट करने में हेल्प करता है। Together, these programs form the backbone of India's public health strategy, ensuring better health outcomes, disease prevention, and improved quality of life for the population. Challenges in public health. Imagine a country as big and diverse as India, where crores of people need healthcare support every single day. In some cities, hospitals are well equipped and awareness about health is good. But in many rural or remote areas, people still struggle to get basic healthcare services. Sometimes there is lack of proper sanitation, sometimes there are not enough doctors or healthcare workers, and sometimes people are not even aware about disease prevention. On the top of that, today's fast lifestyle has increased problems like diabetes, hypertension, and heart diseases, which are becoming common even at young age. Limited healthcare funding and a huge population also make it difficult to provide equal health services to everyone. That is why public health faces many challenges, and solving these requires better planning, strong management, and active participation from the community. Only when all these efforts come together can we build a healthier society. Now let's come to the conclusion of this topic. Now, if we look at the bigger picture, we realize that the real strength of a country does not lie only in its economy or technology, but in the health of its people. When public health systems are strong, fewer people fall sick, hospitals are less crowded, and families live happier and more productive lives. But building a healthy society is not the responsibility of the government alone. It also requires proper planning, effective management, and active participation from communities and healthcare professionals. As future healthcare professionals, our role is to support public health so that people live healthier lives and the nation grows stronger. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to MHA Insights. Bye.